Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Wahid and my group member is Sayyida Wafa Zainab. Today we are going to discuss Qissia ransomware attack of 2021, which was one of the largest criminal ransomware sprees in the history. These are the topics which we'll cover further. Qissia is an IT solutions developer. It became the victim of a supply chain ransomware attack on July 2nd, 2021 that made Qissia's VSA software vulnerable. Attackers used Revil ransomware and exploited zero-day vulnerabilities to hack VSA software by spreading Revil ransomware via MSPs to Qissia's customers and infected thousands of organizations involved with Qissia. This is how Qissia uses SaaS platform. DIVD and Qissia were already following standard vulnerability disclosure practices. On April 6th, Qissia was informed that the exploited vulnerability was patched into the VSA SaaS. Qissia then chose to prioritize VSA SaaS first. If attackers had interpreted the email, the attack would have happened before VSA SaaS was patched. Attackers found the vulnerability and vulnerable systems and then rushed to weaponize before Qissia could mitigate the effects for their on-premises customers. The Dutch Institute of Vulnerability Disclosure (DIVD) identified a number of vulnerabilities tracked at CVE 2021-30116, which were used in the ransomware attacks. There were a total of 7 vulnerabilities that were part of the DIVD's disclosure. 4 of them were resolved in May 8 patch, while 3 of them were in progress, and among those 3, one was exploited. This slide shows a timeline of how DIVD and Qissia coordinated vulnerability disclosure that I have explained earlier. Thousands of organizations and over a million of individuals are affected. According to Qissia CEO Fred Vakola, less than 0.1% of the company's customers were embroiled in the breach. In fact, 800 to 1500 businesses have been affected, which means millions of individual systems. Revil Ransomware Group has claimed responsibility on its dark web leak site HappyBlog. They sent in a message that included, "If you are interested in such deal, contact us using victims' README file instructions." Ransomware note claimed that files are encrypted and currently unavailable and demanded payment of $50 million in return for a decryption key. Then this demand was reduced to $50 million. This is the note which was sent for ransomware payment terms, which in a very sarcastic tone said, "We absolutely do not care about you and your deals, except getting benefits." After Qissia knew about the attack, it notified FBI and CISA, which then urged customers to run a tool provided by Qissia. It also informed the Internet Crime Complaint Center if suspects were being compromised. Not only did the US President Biden directed agencies to investigate, but also White House warned Russian President Vladimir Putin of the consequences. Qissia, as for the recovery, published 2 runbooks, and it also released a patch and worked with one of the premise customers to deploy the security fixes. On July 22nd, Qissia, however, managed to secure a decryption key obtained by a third party and was tested successfully in victim environments. The company worked with Emisoft to reach customers suffering due to locked systems and in need of a decryption key. This is how Qissia managed to recover from the ransomware attack. Revil Ransomware Group's leak site was seized and taken down by law enforcement of Russia, including Revil's payment site, public domain, help desk, chat platform, and the negotiation portal. The references we have used are given in this slide. That's it from our side. Thank you.